A very warm morning to all. Today I, Pragya,
And I am Vita.
students of grade 8 from KLM International School. Today I feel very happy to tell you all that our school has introduced French language in our school curriculum.
I also heard from many students it is very interesting language.
Okay, so let's start conversation in French. Hello,
Bonjour.
how are you?
Comment allez yours.
I am fine, and you?
Je vais bien et yours.
I'm a little tired.
Jesus, I'm feel fatigued.
Can also become a part of your conversation.
Yes, of course you can.
Can we share our views?
Okay, you can.
My name is Sanchit.
Les me appelle Adarsh.
Nice to meet you.
Ravi de vos encontrer.
Where are you from?
Deo Venice Vince.
I am from Pathankot.
Les me Vince de Pathankot.
Did you see how interesting this language is?
Yes, we feel proud to learn this language at KLM International School.
So come to KLM International School to learn more international languages.
Merci.
Merci.
It